Hello and welcome to our one box break. Today we'll be breaking a 2012 Topps Valor.
See the Topps Valor logo on the packaging still? It's right there too.
Alright, on to who has what teams. The Browns, Broncos, Rams, 49ers, and Lions all going to B-Jizzle88.
We have the Texans, Titans, Saints going to No Shelter.
The Giants and Ravens to Robstock1.
We have the Bears going to Jash473.
We have the Raiders to Puck Junkie 7.
We have the Colts going to P. Wiley 1906.
Redskins to DLB 777777777.
We got the Seahawks going to NFL 1999_Browns.
The Dolphins to Galusha 99.
The Buccaneers to John Likes Cards.
Eagles to Amanda 61683.
And the Patriots to Top Cop Collectibles.
And the teams that went unsold this time were the Bengals, Bills, Cardinals, Chiefs, Chargers, Cowboys, Jets, Jaguars, Falcons, Steelers, Packers, Panthers, and Vikings. Good luck, everybody, and we're going to go ahead and start it.
Okay, card number 1. Base card for the Ravens. Courtney Upshaw. Numbered 161 or 170. See if you can see that. 161 and 170 for the Ravens.
Okay. Then we have another base card, Victor Cruz for the New York Giants, number 167 out of 170.
And then we have a Travis Benjamin for the Browns, numbered 43 out of 70. Travis Benjamin for the Browns.
Our next hit for the Bengals, we have Mohamed Sanu, number 113 out of 170. See if you can't see that. Again, Mohamed Sanu for the Bengals.
Okay, and then we have a redemption. It's a Centurion autograph strength parallel of Percy Harvin for the Vikings. See that? For the Vikings.
We're going to actually have to look that up and see if Topps... I'm pretty sure they'll have it for the Vikings since it was for last year.
Yeah.
But the Eagles get the final hit. It's a patch card, 3-color, 4-color. You got the white, silver, black, and green of Nick Foles. Number 3 out of 150.
Nice hit for Amanda. Well, thank you for tuning in to our one box break. In the background over here, we have our box break ending on Thursday. It's a 1 box of Playbook and 1 box of Panini Black, so it's a 2-box break. And we are Ace 88 Collectibles. Thank you.